You are watching Tech Support Spy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. As always, we appreciate you guys watching and tuning into our content. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, comment below and share this video with others. All right, are you ready to move over to Windows 11? Are you dreading the move to Windows 11? As we all know, Windows 10 support ends October 14th of this year, 2025. And everyone's going to be trying to move over from their Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8 computers over to Windows 11 if you don't upgrade it or if your PC can't be upgraded to Windows 11. And some of us don't even know how to use Windows 11, and some of us don't even know how to use Windows 10. But one good thing about learning computers, you can always find help. And that help is TekSupportSpy. One of the things the reasons why I created TekSupportSpy is to help people to become tech savvy, to help people learn computers, learn technology, learn how to troubleshoot their computer, and learn how to use a technological device on a daily basis. TekSupportSpy wants to help you learn Windows 11. Some of you may know that I'm a former college IT instructor. You can go to TekSupportSpy.com and read my bio. But we want to show you how to learn Windows 11. And we want to be able to create content, videos, and live streams with Windows 11 tutorials showing you how to use Windows 11. All right, are you guys ready to learn Windows 11 with TekSupportSpy, TekSupportSpy guy? One of the things I want to show you guys with Windows 11 is the difference between Windows 10 and Windows 11. As you see here, Windows 11 is on the right. The start menu is different between Windows 10. Look at Windows 10, which is going to be on the left. Windows 10 is a little bit different. Your apps are all here. Your apps are not all here on the right, which is Windows 11. There are several differences between Windows 11 and Windows 10. Of course, we'll expand it so that you can see Windows 11 across the entire screen when we go through our videos and our tutorials. But again, I want to give you a interesting perspective on the difference between Windows 10 and Windows 11 and show you certain things. Right, when you right click on the start menu for Windows 10, this is what you get. There are some similarities. When you right click on the start menu on Windows 11, you kind of get the same thing. But some of these different options do some things that are different from Windows 10, and they give you different options in Windows 11. So we definitely want to show you some important things between the differences between Windows 10 and Windows 11. We also have been working on developing our training material. Definitely when we go through our videos and our live streams, you want to be able to go through a PowerPoint presentation, kind of give you a introductory aspect about Windows 11 or about our lesson. Then we'll get into our agenda. We'll get into a class or topic about Windows 11. Then we'll get into a demo. And then we'll get into an exercise. And all these things are going to be presented to you either in our Windows 11 tutorial videos on YouTube, or you'll see this in our Windows 11 tutorial live stream videos. And I hope you guys will enjoy our Windows 11 tutorials. Please, if you like this video and you are excited to learn Windows 11 with TekSupportSpy, please comment below, like the video, share this video with others, and let people know about TekSupportSpy giving Windows 11 tutorial videos here on YouTube and through live streams. Hope you're excited to see what we got for you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to TekSupportSpy. As always, we appreciate you guys watching our videos. Thank you for watching TekSupportSpy.